In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore project approval workflows in Smartsheet. We'll set up a simple, reliable approval process using a built-in automation template so you can standardize decisions and keep your projects moving without manual follow-up. Start by going to smartsheet.com and opening the sheet where you want approvals to happen. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to create automations on this sheet. It helps if your sheet already has columns that identify who should approve, the current status, and any fields you'll use to decide when an approval is needed. At the top, click Automation. This opens the Automation Hub where you can see existing rules and create new ones. To move fast with best practices, choose Create from Template. Templates is going to give you pre-built logic so you don't have to start from scratch. In the search box, type Request. This filters down to approval-related templates, spawns, and saves you time hunting for the right pattern. From the results, select the option called Request an Approval when specified criteria are met. This template is designed for exactly what most teams need. It watches your sheet for a condition, sends an approval request to the right person, and tracks the decision. Click Use Template. You'll land in the Workflow Builder. Here you'll see sections for the trigger, the conditions, the recipients, and the outcomes. The template pre-configures these elements, but you can tailor them to your sheet. This is a great moment to think about the business rule you want to enforce, what should happen before an approval is requested, and who should be responsible for making the call. Next, select the trigger. Common choices include when rows are added, when rows are changed, or on a schedule. If you only want approvals when a specific field changes, choose a change-based trigger. Pairing the trigger with a clear condition, like when a status equals submitted or when a budget exceeds a threshold, helps reduce noise and keeps approvals meaningful. If your sheet stores approver emails in a column, set the recipient to that column so the request always goes to the right person. When your trigger and any conditions look right, click Save. Smartsheet will validate the workflow and turn it on. If you see any warnings, resolve them before moving forward. A quick tip: give the workflow a clear name so teammates know its purpose, and try a test row to confirm the approval request routes correctly and updates your status column as expected. That's it. You've explored and set up a project approval workflow in Smartsheet that's consistent, auditable, and easy to